grab another beer and sit back and listen to the fireworks. Maybe I can, every now and again, maybe I can make it through that switchblade. God dang. The bears are getting through me. 131 in the desert. Breaker.
Yeah, no worries.
Right for Mr. Black Diamond, that was you. Hey, Black Diamond, on that key down time, with that air time, that was you, man. You were in the winner field, man. You got the gold medal. You ran across that line in first place. Now, Bulldozer, man, he was spot shot right behind you next time. He was right behind you. But, Bulldozer was right there. I heard somebody else easing into my receive, too. I heard another radio station way down under easing into my receive. So I can pull out and see if I can. Well, I guess I'm just driving down the middle of the road, not even looking where I'm going. 131 Mustang, down, breaker.
131, man, I'm running. 131, you don't want to swallow his head like that, man. Because I can do with it, duck, pluck, and scratch, because I got a itchy back. Hey, 131, you're a big man. Because my back is itchy. Hey, that's what it's all about there, Mustang Radio. Postman down under getting up.
42, hey, Bulldozer, that was all you. Hey, Mr. Bulldozer, you had that low frequency that was kind of sinking in there. You had a little more low end, and that kind of ate through. That kind of broke it through, man. I was hearing that low fidelity. That high fidelity, those little frequencies rolling through my headphones. But Black Diamond, man, he was hitting the high fidelity, man. He was hitting those high frequencies. And through this whole thing, then I heard Mr. Postman been breaking all down. What a mess, man. What a mess. You're neck and neck, man. All rolling through there. You made it across the finish line at the same time. I'm going to grab one more beer and enjoy this show. You're blasting through my speakers, sounding real good. Coming through my I got big old 15-inch woofers, man. And I got it blasting through my radio room. Keep on. 131 Mustang Radio Show. Cruising with his Dave-made technology. Getting down. Hey, Modsquad, right back. A terrible situation on the Duck Plucking Bandways. Hey, Mr. Black Diamond. I think I got the song for you, man. Hey, Black Diamond, next go around, I think I'll play a couple seconds of a song. Breaker.
Yeah, a couple of seconds. Something like this. For the money. I'm gonna go next. Mud ducking, there goes a mud.
I'll now pause for breakers.
Quack. Mud ducking. That's a duck right there. There goes a mud. See the ones that little bit of suit on? That's a duck. A real duck. Mud ducking. And you see one over there with them old big shoes on? That's a real duck. So is that's a duck. Mud ducking. There goes a mud ducking. Quack. A mud duck is someone who refused to feast 10 days. And 9 times out of 10, he's always asking for a break. You say, come on with that break, but you can't hear but the squeal. You turn and say to yourself, is the dog for real? Mud ducking.
scene there, Captain Bigger. Hello, Mr. Worldwide 131. Is he playing a few tunes out there on the band?
Right away, Mr. Bulldozer, that time around. That figure just tying up the band with my little mud ducking. I'm really good at doing that mud duck. Tying up the band waves my little mud duck radio station. Let me get inside and let's see who comes rolling through the band here. I'm going to keep on tying it up here on the ball. 131. I'm going to grab one more cold beer. I'm going to recline in my chair and listen to that fine audio coming from way down under. And I'm gone.
Hey, 131. Like you, like me. Oh, they're way down.
Right back, come on.
Bulldozer, bulldozer, and more bulldozer. 88 Mojave Desert, California. Bulldozer, we're making the trip. Bulldozer, bulldozer, bulldozer. 88 Mojave Desert, California, waving down.
Right back, 106.
I love Mojave Desert, 88 Mojave Desert. I bet you had to come home.
Modsquad, Hawaiian Islands. Modsquad, Hawaiian Islands. Modsquad, Hawaiian Islands. Modsquad, Roki.
Bulldozer, bulldozer, and more bulldozer. We heard you in your 88 Mojave Desert, California. Bulldozer, Mojave Desert, California, we're waving. Bulldozer, bulldozer, and more bulldozer. 88 Mojave Desert, California, we're waving down.
Mr. Worldwide 88 around from Australia with a good Australian wife. Station cruising this 88 around. You're way down under 88. Bulldozer in the clear breakdown.
Standing by, aloha.
Alright, bulldozer, thanks for coming back. Bulldozer, bulldozer, down under Melbourne, Australia, 88 Mojave Desert, waving a hand, and we're back out. Bulldozer, 88 Mojave Desert, we're back out.
Well, do it.